Так, финал болота. Ай, бля. Все по новой эме. Так, закрываю. Ата dengan batu gari badannya. Почти воткнул путь. Так, тавахтыка аккуратно. И аккуратно вот.
Jack, there's a statewide APB out on him.
Jack's okay. He has something up his sleeve. He's not worried about being caught.
How do we help?
We go after the other side of the equation. Jack has a legion and its cronies running scared. We go after the doctor and some of the other guys.
With the whole department breathing down our necks.
It's time for action, Herschel. It's time for change. Jack's crossed the Rubicon and we have to be on the other side.
Christ, what was that?
Explosion. Something big.
Think it's the Reds? You think those Rusky sons of bitches that dropped the H-bomb on us?
Calm down, Herschel. We need to be ready for the call.
I'm not waiting for an invitation. Get in the car and head for the cloud. KGPL can give us the details on the way.
All units, report to an explosion. Location, alternative location is south of Santa Monica. West of, stand by for further. All units, car 88K reports an explosion.
We have looters around the corner. Cut them or put them down. We need to get this area under control.
You little prick! Get that bastard home!
Now ain't the time to be looking for a problem.
The commander will want us at the scene. Let's go. Jesus. I've never seen nothing like it.
I wish I could say the same. It's like a bomb's gone off. Jesus Christ. Poor people.
We gotta find out what went down.
It wasn't nuclear. If it was, we'd all be dead from the radiation.
That's reassuring. What's radiation?
Everyone inside the factory was vaporized. Look at the size of that crater.
What's going on over there?
The mayor's going on television, appealing for calm.
Television? Who can afford one of those things?
Anything to go on?
We're looking at the remains of Nicholson electroplating. I have an idea of what might have caused the explosion. I'm only guessing. Have a look around the rubble, see if you come up with it.
World's turned upside down.
And it's time for us to do our job.
Vapor.
That's it, Mr. Mayor. We're wrapped.
Well, good. Thank you very much, son. And I think it went okay.
Couple of pickups, sir, but that's to be expected. Nobody's ever done this before. Get better with practice.
We have that. Maybe goes for me too, son. Traded a little more. Son, what do you think, son?
Looks like all that's left.
No, Mr.
Try
Mayor.
the
You
laundry
came
bag.
across as, very resolute.
Doesn't look like anything.
Jauh kata kau sudah. Boleh kembar dia.
Detective, you seen this yet? Come take a look.
Blew the locker open, but shielded the contents. Let's see what we got in here.
Шпионский
US
фотоаппарат.
agents use these things. We'll need to get the film developed to see if there's an espionage angle. Any ideas, Herschel?
None that I care to utter for public consumption. What is it?
A substitution cipher.
О,
The Germans used in the war.
шифры используют подобные во время войны.
You know what to do
Ты
with
умеешь
them?
с ними обращаться? Попробуй. Я все, я
Used
такому
them in
учился.
OCS.
Ебой.
That's right, it's a cipher.
Так,
The rest of the message should
мне
be on it.
аж надо. К. Сто 33. Может тогда диск. А тут аж. Да. Так, погуглю, короче, Ланой Шефер. Там все довольно просто. Вначале стоит ключ от так hayatın gibi aşkı. Атака С. Три кольца, да, у меня только два кольца. Так, на первом самом большом нужно выставить N. Тогда. Ага, чтобы человек указал на букву. Угу. На третьем равно, да. При этом нижний кольцо покажет первую букву N. Какой нахуй? Так. При этом... Угу. Теперь нахуй расшифруй послание к С. Нижний кольцо так, чтобы стрелка указала на букву К. При этом нижнее кольцо покажет первую букву N. N это ровно. Бля. На-ка. Вообще ни хрена не понял. Та Н К продукт. А так и говорит. Это манна С. Маны что ли? Потом на Б натуралось. Ага, манна О. J. L. K. Q. Q. X. S. B. К. Ты хуйню какую-то сделал. Дай в этом был. Ай, ёлки-палки. Тоқтова. Аттан қаяққар. Аш. Аха, кыга тұмдайы. Аха, алтын жаққына қайыбыт. Аттан үскі баддыбыт. Үс, бұғы баддыбыт. О. O J J L K Q X حبيبي حاجة نرجع كده بشتغل X A S أنا بيب قبل اللي بيعرف الهجرة طق أتجاب المجال دوت شو
It's an address. 133 North Vermont Avenue. Tomoko Akamoto. Japanese name.
Это что там, труп что ли, бля? Holy Bible.
No good to me.
Gihira betul. Bakalım.
Hey, detective! I think I got something here.
Any idea what this is?
Very large egg cup? A Viking helmet? How would I know, Phelps? Try putting it back together.
Looks to me like some kind of machine component. An airplane part, maybe.
Все, поехали. У нас есть адрес.
I'm Fred Nicholson.
This is your place?
What's left of it? 32 years of work up in smoke.
Tell us what happened.
Our chief chemist, Harold McClellan, was using this area to test the new process.
What exactly is this new process?
That's classified information, sir.
A lot of people died here, Mr. Nicholson. I'm going to go to the press and tell them it was your fault. What is the new process?
A way to chemically polish aluminum. It's traditionally done by hand. It's extremely labor-intensive. The process could be worth millions.
Who is Tamako Akamoto?
Dr. McClellan's personal assistant. She came highly recommended.
So you hire a chemical whiz kid and his assistant without checking either one of them out.
Hindsight is a great thing, Detective. But I should have looked more closely at the references.
What can you tell us about McClellan?
Brilliant chemist. He approached me a few months ago with the idea for the new process.
So no one has ever done this before.
No, but it's legitimate research.
So you thought McClellan could do what no one else could. You were prepared to take that risk.
Look, he was a trained chemist, and his ideas could revolutionize electroplating.
And you would be rich.
I'm a businessman. What's wrong with turning a buck?
You blew up 6 blocks. God knows how many people are dead.
I regret that.
That's laudable.
We'll be in touch, Mr. Nicholson. Can you send us Dr. McClellan and Miss Akamoto's personnel files?
I will if I can find them.
By the way, we also found the collar of a shirt. It has a laundry tag.
Likely to be Dr. McClellan. Well, the majority of people who work here don't use a laundry service.
smoke? Is he still alive?
You'd ask the same question about Tamako Akamato.
I guess you could. You got an answer.
Not yet. But I'm working on it. Detective Phelps, badge 1247.
How could I help, Detective?
Can you speak to someone at the Army Air Force Base for me, please?
Of course, Detective.
Tell them I have what I believe is an aircraft part. It's polished metal, light for its size. It looks like a cone of some sort. It's stamped on the inside. P&W Wasp Major R4360.
I'll get back to you, Detective, when you check in for messages. Anything else?
I need an address for Superior Laundry Services.
Closest store to your location is in Wilshire, 4766 Melrose Avenue.
Thanks for your help.
What do you need?
Phelps and Biggs, LAPD. We have one of your laundry tags. Can you tell us who it might belong to?
Are you kidding? I got work to do, Mac. Here's the customer book. Knock yourself out.
Number was J2620.
G2620.
Who is Hangstrom?
Fact. Does he have an address?
No. Dead end. Thank you for all your help, sir. Operator, message for KGPL.
Putting you through now.
Phelps, that's 1247.
How could I help, Detective?
I need an address for an Oscar Hangstrom.
No confidential listing for anyone by that name, Detective. Sorry.
Thanks for your help.
Тупик.
Keep on going.
Can
hide at the next corner. Azteca Tomoka Akamoto.
Dagger routine, Miss Akamoto.
Somebody turned the place over. Better watch your step.
Abastevle.
Do you think I could fit in there? I couldn't fit in there.
I'd like to think you would have had something more to say about getting shoved in a fridge, Herschel. One to the head, one to the heart. Point blank. James Lindbergh. Very expensive watch. Favored by flyboys. I always wanted one as a kid.
That's funny. As a kid, all I wanted was some food on the table.
That could be a class ring.
Кюри, блядь. Зажим для галстука. Полиция Лос-Анджелес.
You know what this is, Biggs?
Sure. The department gives you one of those when you retire.
Manda da bitti. Да, понял. То есть кибиттер застрелили, оны соған жібіттер. Оны қалды көпіттер. Ну что он прятал? Расческа которого выгнали, огонь. Во, опа.
Looks like we have a match.
Interesting thing, this opera. What is it exactly?
Чертеж. Микропленка, как не мешает, разбирать ногти.
Broad must have amazing.
Атаклы думаю vardı. Doyakına Sebastian братан.
Operator, give me R&I.
Putting you through now.
Detective Phelps, badge 1247. Messages, please.
You need to call Ray Pinker urgently.
Can you put me through?
It's ringing now.
Go We're on our way in.
Nix that. I got a message from Lindbergh Field. An airplane tech there identified your part.
What is it?
He said it was a prop spinner from either a Corsair or a B-50. It's in the center of the propeller and protects the pitch gearing.
So it's a military part.
Could be, but get this. The Spruce Goose runs 8 Wasp R-4360s. I think you better get over there and check it out.
We're on it.
Biggs, edge 525. I'll need a couple of black and whites at 133 North Vermont Avenue, Wilshire. We'll need an ambulance in the corner. Probably a team from technical services as well.
А я тут думаю, отдыхал наоборот, я пока на один задурить. Молодец.
Century Broadcasting System. Some swell harmonies right here by Miss Evelyn Knight.
Уличный вызов будет, нет?
Next corner, go left.
This is ACV, Americans.
It's the military project, gentlemen. Can you state your business?
Detectives, Phelps and Biggs, LAPD. We're investigating the explosion. We have reason to believe there may be a link to Hughes Aircraft.
I'm sorry, I can't help you there, Detective. Without authorization from Military HQ, you won't be allowed onto this facility.
What seems to be the problem, gentlemen? Hey, Biggs. You're not still with the LAPD.
Afraid so, mates. Can you help us out here?
Sure. What seems to be the problem?
We're working the big explosion at the electroplating plant. Found a part there that belongs to one of your planes.
I work head of security for Mr. Hughes now. I'll take full responsibility. I'm sure we can clear this up. Follow me. It's the big hangar. You can't miss it.
Our investigation be interpreted.
Who is Mapes? And what's his connection to Howard Hughes?
Vernon Mapes used to work Advice. Word is he runs fuck pads for Hughes' Starlets.
A pimp. Earl and Mapes would seem.
Mapes was the role model for...
Follow me.
Good day, miss. That thing really fly?
Mr. Hughes believes so. Amazing, isn't she? Oh.
This is the Spruce.
Jesus Christ, Biggs, you want to get me fired? Mr. Hughes hates that fucking thing. It's the H-4 Hercules to you.
You mind answering a few questions, Mr. Mapes?
Call me Vernon, kid. Fire away.
You know anything about the explosion that happened at Nicholson Electroplating this morning?
No more than anyone else. Heard the boom while I was shaving. Almost shit my pants. Thought it was Pearl all over again.
But you had no personal contact with any of the employees. And you have no idea what caused the explosion.
I'm in security. I handle Mr. Hughes' personal interests, if you get my meaning. I'm not directly involved in manufacturing.
Do you know Tomoko Akamoto?
Never heard of it, Lord. Why?
You don't happen to wear an LAPD tie pin, do you, Mapes?
Sometimes. I have a couple of them from my days on the force.
Do you know the chief chemist at Nicholson Electroplating, a Harold McClellan?
I've heard of the guy. He was pitching some fancy process to the company.
Did Hughes have a contract with Nicholson?
Hey, kid, lose the tone. Hughes has contracts with every plating shop in L.A.
We'd like to discuss these contracts with Mr. Hughes.
This kid's a riot, Biggs. See Howard Hughes? Harry Truman has to make an appointment to see Howard Hughes.
Thanks for your help, Mr. Mapes. Do you mind if we have a look around while we're here?
Sure. Knock yourself out.
Want to take a look inside? And her?
О, самолет реагирует. Давай, давай, давай. Самолет. А, нет. Я ко мне кидают. Привет, удачного стрима, спасибо. Ебать. О, спичка. Как мы и любим. Удачи, пока. Пока. Фотографии.
That is Marie, the body McDonald.
Does Hughes have her on contract to RKO?
Yeah, I bet he does.
Пистолет, что ли?
I doubt it.
Хотя пенсионер будет. Ему, скорее всего, можно. Замена масла.
McClellan's process was going to
Мы
replace
должны
all
были
this.
найти этому замену. Больше 4 часа 15 минут. 7 широты, 74 градусов западной долготы. Полтора. Западная долгота 74 градуса, 24 градуса, 15 минут. Двадцать пять. 24 градуса, 15 минут. Багама. Вот это Багама.
Bahamas? Somebody's already got their maiden flight planned. Is that a Pratt & Whitney 4360?
Sure is.
You know your motors.
Do you mind if I take a look at the prop spinner?
We're getting her ready for sea trials, so be quick about it.
What's the oily covering on the metal?
We coat the aluminum parts in linseed oil to preserve it from oxidization.
Let's see what Pinker has first. He's probably done tinkering with that camera by now.
Thanks for the tour, Mapes.
Always happy to help the department. Hey, don't I know your face from the papers? You're the cop that's stripping that German fraud.
Nah, I think you got the wrong guy.
I'm busy now. Can I ignore you some other time?
So McClellan was selling his new process to Hughes and cutting out Nicholson.
Looks that way. This would never go all the way up to Hughes. Rid of middlemen and stuff like this.
Someone like Mapes?
The word middleman was invented for guys like this. Break being separated from the kids, folks.
They're fine. They've got their mother and they've got each other.
What about you?
What about me?
What have you got?
A friend of mine is helping me through it.
Bence ben yakın.
Ask me what?
The Black Dahlia. Who was it that killed that poor girl?
No official charges have been pressed in the case.
I know that. I'm not looking for the official version.
I made a promise to the department.
These are the guys who soldiered down the river. Up ahead, take a right.
Парень я блядь, что-то камбран.
I was kind of attached to the paint job, Cole.
Ты нашли окей, Сезанов.
Hang the left up there.
Need a drink. I got the jitters again. I say we bust in there and find the goddamn...
خليك اللي بتدبي منا.
Any messages for me, Hopkins?
Not many you'd want to hear. Newspapers wanting interviews and rookies cussing you out mostly.
Nothing else.
Pinker wants you in tech services. Maybe you'll be more popular downstairs.
Туй звонение, да, бля, сержант дорогого, бля. Пиздик накалай, бля. Ката, бля, секретарь де бегу табайован.
Yeah, I'm thinking of moving up to a 45.
Hey, Cole.
One round.
You're not winning any popularity contests upstairs, you know.
Ну туда куда идти-то, бля?
Going to church doesn't make you a Christian any more than staying in the garage makes you a car. Mouthpiece first stripped on me at the grand jury. Case got thrown out. Now the DA wants my head.
I want to make homicide. You know you made it if you get that desk.
As the cannibals finished off eating the clown, one said, "Did that taste funny to you?"
Those Vice boys get any on the side?
You're a real asshole. You know that? That's the swine. Look at him.
Sorry, just got a tip off. I'm about to roll out.
I want to make
Advice?
homicide. You know you made it.
This guy's got a screw loose.
I'm trying to imagine you with a personality.
I want to make homicide. I mean, you know you've made it if you got that desk.
Куда мне идти? Қайға люди
I was
бегемін,
door
бля?
knocking all morning, but I got to make on the car in the end.
Там қиылыра.
Guy gave his wife a tap.
Қағыда
Sales,
алып
nothing
шығайық.
more.
Брифинг. Капитанға рыттылып.
You're a real asshole. You know that?
That bum took a swipe at me. I put him down with my staff.
Where do you stand?
I think you're a good cop,
Кире жүзім
but I try
тұланды.
and stay out of politics.
Everybody tries to stay out of politics, Ray.
Well, don't quote me on it, but I'm hoping that Parker will get the job and clean this place up. I have your photographs. You can use the magnifier. There's quite a lot of detail.
Very funny.
I think you're right, Ray. We have our man. You take a nice photo, Phelps.
Bring in the Watcher and match for our John Doe. He's obviously the competitive bid. Can you get this over to Lockheed so we can get a name for this guy?
It's already on its way.
Howard Hughes, millionaire, industrialist, aviator, and playboy, and Vernon Mapes, ex-dirty cop, and business fixer.
Слушай,
I found a similar tie pin along with a dead guy in a fridge.
Need a drink. I
got the jitters again.
Excellent photography, Tomoko. So Tomoko had the goods on McClellan. Too bad they blew the place to hell.
Straight through the red light. Bet you never saw it. I want to make homicide. You know what I'm about.
Is this McClellan? Can anyone make out the street number behind him?
Are you kidding? With my eyesight?
Cole, can you help me with a little experiment? Use the eyedropper in front of you. One drop from each of the bottles on the desk. Place the drops in the Petri dish.
Hey, I gave his wife a tap. He said all's fair in love and war.
Yeah, I'm thinking of moving up to a 45. I want to put him down in 1 round.
It's okay, guys. Just a little experiment.
Can you guys knock it off? Everyone's still jumpy from that bang this morning.
Very funny, Ray. You just took a couple years off my life expectancy.
Did the same trick to me about an hour ago.
So that was the stuff that caused the explosion.
I think so. Acetic anhydride is almost as explosive as nitro, and when mixed with perchloric acid, it's very unstable. It needs to be cooled constantly. We used linseed oil, but you could add any organic compound to trigger an explosion.
3 little drops.
Yeah, and they were using a 100-gallon vat.
То есть смазка. Поняли, да? Мотор тугун брагали, двигатель вятты самолетный контейнер. Он на бум, нахуй, взрыв, мазафака. Пиздец, такой там-то, бля. Постой, дорогуш. Не до тебя.
Grown men playing at being boys.
Having the best day, Susie. You are so bad.
Stinks of petroleum.
Avgas, if I'm not mistaken. Hangstrom was
Bagama.
flying today on TWA.
Engstrom is dead, Cole. Why leave your ticket behind?
Nips is cleaning up.
Привет. Татара, да. Не вадимся. Дата рождения. 5 августа, 11 года рождения. Хивик.
Hangstrom and McClellan are the same man.
Это один человек.
The gas, Cole, the gas! We gotta get out of here right now! Look, by the stove! Shoot the gas line, Cole, we're out of here!
Беги, 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 беги.
There you are, shitheel. Come on, he's not getting away from us. Smash the son of a bitch's rear wheels. Don't leave me hanging out there, Phelps. Move in.
Не стреляй, гражданский. Вот теперь стреляй. Нет, не стреляй.
Enough games, Phelps.
Теперь стреляй. О, да, давай сюда.
Get in close and steer him off the car. Shit. You security men, Cole. Stay on mates. Knock them off the road if you have to, but stay on that fucker. Lay into his wheel well. Come on. I'll try to shoot out his tires. Wish me luck.
Мы тебя не потеряем, блядь.
Don't go to sleep on me. Get it close. We're gonna have to go through all the security men first. I hope you're ready for a fight, Cole.
Tires.
How long do you think you can hold out? Lay down some covering fire.
Есть використали, бля. МГ что ли, бля? Yani как того. Вообще бессмертная идея. Я думаю, подожди. Кому нравится? Тут никак. Отсюда никак.
You're gonna have to explain this to me again. So the guy at the chemical plant, he's planning on selling his magic formula to another company and skipping town with his assistant, but he blows himself up before he can manage it. So why the dead body in the refrigerator?
Mapes, Captain. He was eliminating all competitors for the process. When it went bang, he burnt down the apartment to remove all connection between Hughes and the plant.
Mapes, right. I remember Vernon Mapes. Guy had good, honest cops hanging their heads in shame. Glad he's finally out of commission. I don't know if it'll do you any good, Phelps, but between the Spruce Goose and half the city exploding, you might just have made the case of the decade.
Good morning to you too, Elsa. You look radiant.
Thank you, Doctor.
We haven't been seeing much of you lately, Elsa. You've been missing appointments.
I'm sorry, Doctor. I've been feeling much better.
That's very good to hear. And what has brought about this improvement?
It's the new man in my life. He's convinced me to fight my addiction.
Ah, the policeman from the newspapers. How has he coped with his fall from grace?
He can finally see things from a human perspective, rather than the ivory tower he created for himself. It's making him stronger, and it's making me stronger helping him.
You wouldn't make a bad analyst yourself, Elsa. Should we swap seats?
We're both finding we have a lot to live up to.
And what is that?
In my case, you went through hell along with me and still came out smiling. In Cole's case, his friend, Jack Kelso.
Kelso?
You've heard of him?
No, I just like the sound of his name.
Cole and Jack are working on a case together.
Is Jack a policeman too?
No, he works for the district attorney.
What?
He's a special investigator. I thought you didn't know him.
I have never met the gentleman in question.
He has been looking into Lou's case. Cole thinks it might be linked to some fires he's investigating. You look pale, Doctor.
It's cold in here, Elsa. I think I'll close the window. Why are you looking at me like that, Elsa?
You arranged for you to work at Elysian Fields, Doctor.
Your fears are unfounded. I meet many people in my line of work. There are many ways that people can be helped. Finding them work is just one of them.
I don't believe you, Doctor. I've seen you with Monroe at the club.
I'm sorry that you have come to that conclusion, Elsa. I've always so enjoyed our conversation. I can see your future, Elsa. Cole, the policeman, and Jack, the investigator. It's an unfortunate, grisly end.
I've come to help you, Doctor. To help you cross over. All your sins will be forgiven. In the next life.
Doktor psykdoktorn.
It's got to be one of these places.
The arsonist's a bug sprayer. He must have worked at one of these joints.
Help you?
How many guys you have working here, Pop?
Who's asking, son?
It could be official or unofficial. Depends on how you want to play it.
You should get to a hospital, son. That arm of yours appears to be letting in daylight.
Save the pity for the other guys. They're the ones who need it. I'm looking for a big cowboy who works pest control. Does he work here?
We don't have anyone like that here.
You sure? I'm not the type of guy you want coming back.
Yeah, I'm sure.
got?
Looks like a drug overdose.
Get away from him, Phelps. This is my case.
Shut your fucking mouth. Since when does a bagman work a case?
I knew this creep wasn't on the morphine heist. Victim of his own product.
Hey, detective! Can we back it off a notch? This is getting out of hand.
Time to talk and a time to shut up. Now is the time to be quiet.
Courtney Shelton was a corpsman, Roy. He served his country. He went out with a medical kit and an Army 45 into places that made the Valley of Death look like a picnic. He was either naive enough or dumb enough to get involved in the Suburban Redevelopment Fund, along with the mayor, the DA, Monroe, and a certain crooked cop. He was involved in the morphine heist, but he has a puncture wound in his jugular, which makes this a murder case. He was a better man than you'll ever know. You say one more word about him and I will blow your fucking head off!
You finally lost it, partner.
I have a pretty good idea why Shelton's dead. And I know about Monroe. You're fast, future, drain waves.
I got better things to do than argue the rub with you.
Stay with him until the coroner gets here. Make sure technical services bags the evidence. If you let this creep anywhere near it, I'm looking for you.
Yes, sir.
You know, Phelps, you're not the worst asshole going around.
Thanks, Herschel.
Во, бляха, хитрый тик постался, а не этот, блядь, психиатр хрен заебал уже, блядь.
Welcome to Nuclear. What can I do you for?
I work for the DA. I need to speak with an exterminator, big guy with a cowboy accent.
We have only 3 people work here. Me and 2 Mexicans. They're both on the scrawny side.
Thanks for your help.
That's disgusting. Didn't you ever hear of germs?
Fought gallantly on distant.
I work for the DA. I'm looking for a big cowboy, does extermination. Anyone like that working here?
Well, I wouldn't want to get anyone into any trouble.
We could do this the hard way. An address?
Yeah, he lives in a bunkhouse on the remains of the old Rancho Rincon.
Thanks.
Вчера.
Cole, you made it.
What's this got to do with me, Rusty?
Dr. Fontaine, prominent shrink, dead in his patient's room. Spine snapped like a twig. The suspect is one of his mental patients.
I've met Fontaine.
His last patient was Elsa Lichtman, Cole. She's missing. Nurse said that she saw some big Boris Karloff type carry her out.
The best thing that you can do to help me, Rusty, is let me take a look around.
Sure thing, Cole. This way.
Все-таки детектив-то имеет еще сигналера, ну, кроме Роя. Рой вообще тот еще пидорас, блядь, сволочь, стукач нахуй.
Take your time. I'll give you and the doctor some privacy.
А вот и наш фигурант. Трохара.
Pet lunatic of yours is burning down our houses. Keep your voice down, Lee. Control is of the essence.
Keep the voice down. You know how much these sons of bitches charge for lunch? Fuck them.
Lee, we will not solve our problems by announcing them to the general public. We only speed ourselves on our way to the gallows.
He's your imbecile, Harlan. Get him under control or get rid of him.
Speaking of which, I've had to dispose of our young medical student.
Certainly are a cold character, Harlan.
He has a friend called Kelso who knows all about the development on Normandy Avenue.
I know about Kelso.
And you thought it unimportant to inform me.
I thought I could take care of it.
Have you?
No, I haven't.
Kelso works for Benson. Is he reliable?
No, he's totally unreliable. But he has so many pernicious habits, he's got nowhere to run.
Can you take care of Kelso?
Don't push me, Harlan. Get rid of the fruitcake. No longer necessary. I'll take care of Jeff Kelso.
Так, хотя наверное сейчас. Компромат.
Fontaine was having houses burned for Monroe.
Это пидор ты, конечно, да? Сойер.
Monroe wasn't happy. People started dying and it attracted attention. And the doctor lost control.
В чем перевод?
So much for your foresight, Doctor.
Destroyed by a monster of your own creation, Dr. Fontaine. I've heard that story somewhere before.
Так, то хуликалах пнемин. Хрустальный шаг, компромата Фонтейна.
Optimistic, Cole.
Good doctor has been marking this map. Edgewood Grove, McCarthy Vista, Crescent Heights, Rancho Escondido. Do those names mean anything to you, Herschel?
Yeah. How come?
New houses all being built in the path of the freeway?
Нихуя себе. Весь Голливуд хотят снести.
This guy sounds dangerous, Cole. You better hurry up and get to work.
Не так вот молодежь. Что-то я упускаю. Интуиция. Показать сейвдики. Ёбан, коронавирус, бля. Морфин, бляха-муха. Эрл Рой, твоя работа.
Looks like Fontaine has finally dispensed his last treatment. Jack was wrong. It's not about insurance, it's about eminent domain.
What are you talking about, Cole?
The government reclaims the land in the path of the freeway and pays the improved value of the land with the new houses sitting on it.
What about the stiffs who paid their deposits?
Worst case, they get their money back. But the syndicate pockets millions on the improved value of the land.
So where does Jack's boss come into it?
He's the key. He carries the insurance. The insurance proves how much the houses are worth.
And they're worth nothing?
Firewood, all of it.
That's about as neat a scam as you can imagine. How are we gonna prove any of this, Cole? Doctor's dead. Monroe nearly bled to death. If they get Jack...
We need the firebug. The Okie cowboy. Get him, get Elsa. Get him, get all of them.
Где раз без напарника, без нихуя, без никого.
Guess nobody's home.
Ебало, поджигатель для
This guy's bringing a
вас.
45 or an M1. This is pretty extreme.
Опа! Это в роликах у меня было где-то. Мебки заебал.
Quite a flock you got here, kid. The river tunnels. This guy's a tunnel rat.
Туннельная крыса.
A strange obsession.
Это к тебе и переведет. Закихезата да джире, ёбан. Так. А кто двери закрыл? Я тут не все закончил по головам. О. Не знаком. Вот и я треба потом. Кол работал. Фелпс.
Poor backward son of a bitch. Peterson, I'm going to need some help. I've got Monroe, Fontaine, and all the others. It's all tied up nicely. It goes all the way to the top. Meet me at the LA River Tunnel entrance just north of the First Street Bridge in half an hour. Don't ask questions. Just be there. This is DA's investigator Jack Kelso. I have an urgent radio message for Detective Cole Phelps.
Go ahead, KGPL.
11K, see the man. A 207 just occurred on the spillway north of the First Street Bridge. DA's investigator Jack Kelso reports a kidnapping suspect outstanding in the LA River tunnel system with a hostage. 11K,
Roger
code
that.
3.
The hell is Jack playing at? Like a suicide note. Half the LAPD will be down there hunting for us.
We need to get there first.
All units on all frequencies stand by. Car 86 Adam is in pursuit of suspect vehicle heading southwest on Sunset Boulevard. Suspect vehicle belonging to Jack Kelso, described as a Navy Chevrolet Fleetline. License number 4, William 0286. Car 86 Adam is in pursuit.
Picked up his car. I'll need help to make it to the river.
That's Kelso's car.
All units, Chief Morrill reports that the suspect is armed and extremely dangerous. Repeat, extremely dangerous. Suspect vehicle to be disabled immediately. If necessary, use of deadly force is authorized. All units, suspect vehicle headed west on 5th Street. Repeat, the Chevy Fleetline Navy Blue. Westbound on 5th Street.
Jesus Christ. How many cops are these guys on?
All units, we have a new suspect vehicle. Shop number 13516. Repeating, shop 13516 is a second suspect vehicle, described as a green Hudson Commodore, license 3 Sam 0102. Reported to be aiding suspect Jack Kelso. Use caution to continue pursuit. All units stand by for further. All units, suspect vehicle is heading northeast toward 3rd Street on the embankment between 3rd and 4th. All units, suspect vehicle is now northbound on Los Angeles, passing 2nd Street. Car 66 Adam is on 1st and Alameda. Car 19.
Тут мам, бля, товар под нахуй.
Suspect vehicle
Давай, Джек, гони, 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 гони.
Who is this guy? Peterson, assistant DA.
What's he doing
He's here to
here?
cover our backs.
I'm going in there, Jack.
No one's trying to stop you. I found this at the ranch house. He's marked his routes. I'll go in here. Cole, you take the next entrance. Biggs, I need you to take the car and cover this spot here. I think that's his fail-safe exit. Cole, he's one of ours.
Stop right where you are!
Got it?
Got it.
Peterson, you want to be DA? We'll earn your salt.
So, Kelso is your boy, Peterson? You working with Phelps? A handy lad, that Kelso.
Yes, he is, Chief. You can't imagine what those two have uncovered. It could go all the way to the top. I hope you won't be implicated.
So, you're the new groom, Peterson?
Looks like it.
And you think he'll make it out of there alive?
I think he might. He's a difficult boy to get rid of.
All right, Peterson. I'm listening. What's your offer?
Давай, 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 давай. Да. Ada tanki itu.
Water's rising. You can walk out here or go out in the box. Your choice.
Może давай хаванес. Lakad pa raw na. Абас куд коружи, тас винила, бля.
You're surrounded and your buddies are dead. Step on it. The water's rising.
Dört tüplük. Bu da güzel.
Are you okay, princess?
I felt better. He saved me from the doctor.
Hi, Tex. You remember me?
I'm not sure that I do. Have you come here to kill her?
Why would I do that, soldier?
Isn't that why you're all here?
I'm here to get her out.
Her, but not me. You haven't come for me.
No, not you. It ends here.
You were with the 6th on Sugarloaf, weren't you?
I was?
And Naha?
Yes, I was.
You're Sergeant Jack Kelso, aren't you? Where's your uniform, Sarge?
At home in my locker, Hogaboom. War's over, soldier.
I know that, Sarge. I'm fighting a different kind of war. I fight for God now.
We all fight for God, Ira.
In our own ways. Not everyone knows it.
Elsa, are you all right? Get away from her! It's all right, Cole. He doesn't want to hurt her. Ira was with us on Okinawa.
What? You know this guy? Don't you remember me, Lieutenant? I remember you. No. Don't. You ordered me to burn that cave, Lieutenant. That cave full of civilians. A hospital.
What is he talking about?
It was war. For God's sake, I can't be responsible for everything that happened.
I don't blame you, Lieutenant. You helped me to help other people.
Ira lost his mind on Okinawa, Princess.
Sheldon asked the doctor to help him get back.
The doctor helped me to find my path. And I helped him to a better life.
Elsa's going to leave now, Ira. She will be all right. You've helped her, too. Get her out of here. Biggs will help. His ex is nearby.
Jack, I need this guy to make the case.
Hasn't this poor bastard given you enough? Get out of here now!
For God's sake, Jack! What are you going to do?
Don't cry, miss. Sergeant Kelso has come to help ease my way. I was proud to serve with you, Jack.
Get out of here, Cole!
What do we do, Lieutenant? Jesus, look at all the kids! Stop the goddamn screaming! I need to think!
And how do you expect to do that, you fucking maniac? They're burned to a crisp.
Finish them off. Do it humanely. We are leaving this place.
You do it, Phelps. Get your own fucking hands dirty. I'm out of morphine.
Put these people out of their pain. Now! That's an order!
Everyone out of here now. Double time! You two get Lieutenant Phelps to an aid station. Weapons team will be blowing this place in 2 minutes. Everything that happened in here stays in here. Do you hear me? I don't want to ever hear another word about it.
Killed that man!
He was doing him a favor, Elsa.
Cole, up here! I'll get this grader first! The water's rising!
You're first!
Hand her up!
Get out of here! I'm not arguing. You're wounded, Jack. Let me help.
What are you waiting for?
Jump, Cole! Jump for it!
Sure. Прощайте. О, voilà, basicamente prepet.
We're gathered here to honor Detective Cole Phelps. Cole Phelps was the best kind of man. Hear, hear. A war hero who led his men with true valor. And through his personal bravery achieved one of his country's highest honors. A cop wrongly accused who never lost his faith in the LAPD and the system.
Fine. You belittle his memory.
Elsa.
Out of my way, Jack. You call yourself his friend.
A detective who fought to expose the evil corruption of the murderous Dr. Fontaine and the rapacious property tycoon Leyland Monroe.
Go to her. Will you, Herschel?
A reformer who
You were never his
recognized the
friend,
need to
Jack.
remove the odd bad apple from a department
right.
made up of good men.
Herschel?
A man who never gave up.
Yeah, Jack.
Who
I was
continued
never
to
his
fight
enemy.
the good fight.
I think you knew that, Jack.
The fight that cost him his own life. A good husband. A good father. And may I say, a good friend.
I love the chase till the minute I win it. A beautiful face to learn love in it. Give me your heart and baby I'll bin it. 'Cause I always kill the things I love. Some folk would die for the sake of another. Lay down their life for their sisters and brothers. For me, sacrifice is something quite
Да уж.
'cause I love to kill the things I love.
Hello, the game.
Will turn to surprise as you feel the pain and you realize the one hurting you is somebody who once said, I love you. judge and jury, they all agree. If love's the crime, I'm doing time, and I don't look like I'll ever get free. Yeah, baby, you know I'm guilty. Baby, you know I'm guilty. While you're my Clyde, I'll be your Bonnie. I could pretend I'll be good again, but while loving you's the charge I'll never be. 'Cause baby, you know I'm guilty. Baby, you know I'm guilty. So lock me up and throw away the key. I don't need no bail if you're the jail. Just give me life and grant me no reprieve. 'Cause baby, you know this case is closed, and don't suppose I'll make a plea. 'Cause baby, you know I'm guilty. Well, I need something to soothe this pain, to cool the lava you pump through my veins. 'Cause I'm burning up for you. And I need something to quench this fire before it becomes a funeral pyre. Yeah, I'm burning with yearning so much for you. You struck the sparks, you fanned the flames in me. And now my heart's a blazing ruin. You say that you were
Ебать, пешеход들은 바로 алла, что ли?
walk away. Don't do me wrong. Don't leave me singing this torched song when I'm burning up for you. Your love's a drop I have to drop. It hurts me so much, but I just can't stop. I can't stop burning. I'm yearning so much for you. You struck the sparks, you fired a flame in me. And now my heart
How about this for a headline? Guess which former 6th Marine hero has been promoted in the LAPD?
No idea.
Well, could be anybody. You give up?
Tell us or hand over the fucking paper.
The Shadow, boys. Our very own Silver Star winning son of a bitch.
Phelps? He didn't die, Jack. He did just fine, and that's all we're going to say about it, right?
The one and only. Look at this picture. Golden boy getting his badge, wife and kids in tow, and looking awful humble in the process.
Well, he's set.
Phony bastard.
I wonder if they've been holding my job for me after all this time.
What job was that?
Mechanic.
Ain't you seen all the war bond movies, Sarge? All the best mechanics is women. You're gonna have to work as a gigolo from here on in.
I was a bus driver in Santa Cruz. You know, no pictures in the papers or medals for me, though.
Can't believe I just went through Petaloo and Okinawa just to go back to being a washing machine mechanic.
How is it that jerks like Phelps get it all?
It doesn't have to be that way, guys.
What are you talking about? It's always gonna be that way.
Do you have any idea what you guys are sitting on?
Yeah, a ship full of Army surplus.
You're sitting on surplus morphine. 2 tons of it. Can you imagine what that's worth on the streets? Hundreds of thousands of dollars.
You're shitting me.
I'm not.
You're talking about stealing it?
Keep your voice down. Do you want to have us all thrown in the brig?
God damn it, Sheldon. You want to go into the dope business?
No. I want to be in the peace dividend business. What is that supposed to mean? It means I want the guys who fought for a better future to get some share of it. You interested, Jack?
Come on, Top. We could all get out from under.
Oh, it's the chance of our lives.
It's everyone or no one, boys.
I'm not having a bar of it, Courtney. You may be the bravest person I have ever met, but I swear to God, trouble follows you around like a pet fucking dog. I thought you wanted to try for medical school.
So what do you want, Jack? What's the future got in store for you?
You guys were all heroes in the war. Every single one of you. Even if your next door neighbor or your wife never know it and don't give a rat's ass. Fuck Phelps and medals and citations and parades. Fuck the public who are bored with returning GIs. I have nothing but respect for what you guys and the rest of the 6th have done. You go through with this, and you'll be nothing to me.
Bakay. Bittim şöyle camına. Non avrebbe basta bomba da pugnalo. Ok. Костюмді керек а? Марасашка.
£100 container of sodium hurtles into the lake and crashes through a foot of ice. As the water seeps in, smoke rises through a series of muffled...
KGPL to any central unit, meet the officer, a hit-run felony at 6th and Alvarado. Any unit able to handle code 2 identified.
It's made necessary because no public carrier will accept it for transportation to a purchaser. One after another, with varying effects, the containers go up with spectacular results as water and sodium meet.
Последний выезд на сегодня. Возможно, как-нибудь зайду, сыграю. Уже как бы финал у меня.
You drive. I need to go over the case notes.
KGPL to any central unit, meet the officer, a hit-run felony at 6th and Alvarado. Any unit able to handle code 2 identified.
Car 11 King responding. Go ahead, KGPL.
Jesus Christ.
Notify the coroner's office.
It's not often you get them this easy. Driver left his car behind and hoofed it.
Any witnesses?
None of them saw the crash, but by the blood, I'd say the driver can't be too far.
Did anyone see where the driver went?
I saw a guy run up that alley.
Не понял нахуй. К нему так-то что ли?
KGPL to any central unit, meet the officer, a hit-run felony at 6th and Alvarado. Any unit able to handle code 2 identified.
Jesus Christ.
Notify the coroner's office.
It's not often you get them this easy. Driver left his car behind and hoofed it.
Any witnesses?
None of them saw the crash, but by the blood, I'd say the driver can't be too far.
Did anyone see where the driver went?
I saw a guy run up that alley. He's hiding around here somewhere, I know it.
You seen a man covered in blood? We're chasing a hit-and-run suspect.
Went to ground in the alley.
Just stay away from me, goddammit! I mean it! You goddamn bum!
Bart, think we got our guy. Come on, then!
I only fell asleep for a second. I've never had any trouble like this before, officer. Never,
William
ever.
Shelton?
Oh, Christ. It's you. Look, you gotta believe me. I'm no criminal.
Ладно, ребята. Наш главный герой умер. Это у меня свободный Лос-Анджелес. Я уже все задания выполнил. Все. Все достопримечательности открыл. Все машины найдены. Если статистика какой-то пара руководства, статистика игры. Закрытый сюжетных дел 31. Закрытый уличных дел 35, осталось 5. Но это уже на днях. Будь не буду свободно играть. Киноролика буду искать. Ну, у меня же карта все есть. Разновидность средств, которым управлял персонаж 41 из 95. Прочитан гаджет 10 из 13. Общий прогресс 82%. Звание текущий ранг у меня 20. Найдено улик у меня 296. Время потрачено на обыски 3 часа 45 минут 30 секунд. Задано вопросов 0, увеличение вложений 0, неудачных увеличений вложений верный ответ 0, неудачных увеличений вложений достаток 0, допросы завершенных преждевременно 4, комментариев вникнуть во время допроса 6. Автомобиль. Максимальная скорость у меня была 87 км в час. Общее время проведено на максимальной скорости 1 минута 23 секунды. Самый высокий прыжок на автомобиле 25 футов. Самый длинный прыжок на автомобиле 161 фут. Общее время вождения 7 часов 4 минуты. Охренеть. Дистанция пройдена на автомобиле 256 миль. Транспортное средство, которое управляет персонаж 16. Уничтожить транспортное средство 3. Опрокинуть транспортное средство подозреваем 5. Выведение из строя транспортное средство подозреваем 23. Число выстрелов по цели 7. Драки. Точных ударов 105. Пропущено 41. Отбито 1. Уклонов 103. Захват 16. Перестрелки. Застрелено врагов 234. Врагов убитых выстрелов в голову 139. Точных выстрелов 754. Охренеть. Промахов 779. Ну это из пулемета я им была. Точность 49%. Ага, в основном я стрелял из пистолета. Время игры у меня на все потрачено 26 часов. Провалов миссии 21. Получен подсказок от партнера 22. Смертей от пуль 9. Смертей в результате нокаута 1. Дистанция пройдена пешком 27 миль. Собрано очков 20. 2 из 20. Короче, на днях я буду собирать значки. Транспорты буду искать. Ну, которых не водил. Вот 50 штук, которые... Закрыто. Уличные дела закрою. Найден достопримечательности. Я все закрыл. Так, найден. Киноролики буду искать и газету буду искать. Так что, ребята, на сегодня все. Я уже закончил. Как мы уже поняли, наш главный герой умер. Героически погиб. Героически погиб, как сказать-то? Героически погиб на служебном задании, да, спасая девушку Эльзу и своего лучшего друга. Лучшего друга это у меня Джек Келсо. Это кто, а? Лучший друг у меня Джек Келсо и мой вот этот вот напарник Халшев. Все. Всем спокойной ночи. Артура? Кто? Ай, бля, кто распознал надо у меня. Дела. Вот тут газета была. Отдел убийств. Отдел поджогов в Лос-Анджелесе. Я все выполнил, мандами. Все, ребята. До свидос.